Hello all, I just introducing to you a little addition to the main module. Anybody who recognizes this is the main module. The main module comes complete with a key fob, an additional key fob for an additional cost if you need. And this is mainly used to power up the kit dash by hitting a little button. You see it, there it is. And once you got that, you can actually have an auxiliary input, so you can do whatever you want auxiliary. That's what this plug is for. I've already showed that in the other video. This plug here with these three wires can be used to power up a garage door opener or a soundboard or anything else that you wish. Now, what I'm introducing in this video is this little puppy right here. This little thing right here is a additional relay transmitter. Comes like this. Little box with a little plug, and it's really easy to program to this transmitter because we have A that starts a dash, we have B that does the auxiliary, whatever you wish, but both buttons together, they don't do anything in here. Nothing, nothing at all. Nothing. So what about programming this one? Real simple. First of all, these three wires here are what you're going to use to trigger whatever you want. Blue is normally closed, yellow is common, white is normally open, and typically anybody who wants to use this will be using white and yellow. White and yellow, those will be what you're going to use. And red and black, of course, is 12 volts. It's power, right? That's what we have. Now, 12 volts can be coming anywhere inside the vehicle. It can be coming from the battery, it can be coming from the dome light. I don't care, whatever you want. Right now I got this hooked up to the main module. When you're going to program this in your car and the main module is already installed in your dash, you never even have to touch this. This means nothing. It can be underneath your dash. You never have to mess with it. All you have to do is mess with this thing right here, and of course have your key fob handy. So with power and ground hooked up to this little device here, like I said, power and ground anywhere. You want to get from your cigarette lighter, your battery, behind your alternator, wherever you want to get power from is up to you. All right, so how do we program this thing? Real simple. First of all, just tap the button. It blinks, there it is, and you hold these down at the same time. That's it, done. So now we have A for the dash, B for the auxiliary built into here, and now both at the same time, and that can be whatever you want. That could be also for another soundboard. It could be for your scanner. It could be for your garage door opener. It could be for your trunk release. It could be for whatever you want. It can even be for a driver's door pop open or activate a remote start. Whatever you want it to be. It is your imagination. And that's it. It's easy to do. Like I said, this is how you're going to get it. Right here. Comes in a little case. The case is pries apart. Once the case pries apart, you see the little circuit board here. And as I stated before, black is ground, red is hot. Blue is normally closed through this little relay. That's a relay right there. Yellow is your common, and white is your normally open. And typically, anybody who wants to trigger anything will be using the white and yellow. Yellow will be going to your trigger device, whatever it may be, and then the white will be going to a ground if whatever device you're going to requires a ground to be triggered. So that's it. Just want to introduce that and show you how to program it. Real simple. Any questions? Let me know.